I'm going to do a quick makeover on this little rolling pin. First thing I'm going to do is pick some paper that can go in the middle, and I have this really pretty napkin with birds on it, and I love the green that's in it, so we're going to use that. Some Mod Podge, and we're going to brush it just on the middle. I'm going to lay this down. Be careful not to overwork your paper. Napkins are very thin. I let it dry for a little bit. Now I'm going to just go around the edges and sand off the extra paper. You could leave your rolling pin just like this, seal the middle, and you're all done. Or you can stain your handles and darken those up a little bit. That would look good. I'm going to go a little extra and paint them with this moss green from Waverly. I'm going to go in with my Mod Podge, and I'm going to seal the middle up so that it will stay nice and stuck down to my rolling pin. Now you can leave this just like this. Make sure you seal your handles and you're all done. I'm going to go in and lightly distress all around on my handles and bring back some of that raw wood that's underneath. Now because I like to give an aged look, I'm going to go in with my antique wax, brush it on, and then wipe it back. If you want to see more rolling pin makeovers, check out the long form link that I have down below, or go to my channel, Repurpose My Way, on YouTube. Thanks for watching.